How to recover deleted TikTok videos. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the secret way on how to recover your deleted TikTok videos, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to go into the TikTok app. Perfectly, in here I'm just going to find a random video to delete basically. So I'm going to click this right here and then I'm going to delete this video. Perfect. Now as you can see, the video is now deleted. What I need to do now is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. Perfectly. Now click on settings and privacy. Great. Now we need to scroll down until we can see where it says report a problem. Perfect. Now it's just going to load here. Great. Now we need to scroll down once again. Click where it says videos and sounds. And now we need to click where it says video missing and then click on other. Perfect. Now we're just going to load. Great. Now in here we need to click where it says no. Then click on need more help. Great. Now we will take into this page right here. And in here we need to basically explain to TikTok that we just deleted a video and we want to get it back because basically it was a mistake from our side. So I'm just going to write something like this. So you need to write something like this. I recently deleted a video by mistake. Please bring it back because that video should not have been deleted. Basically write something like this to TikTok. It does not have to be like identical to what I wrote, but just explain to TikTok that basically you deleted a video and you want to get it back. And when you're done, click where it says report. Great. Now when you have clicked on report, then it takes about 1 to 3 business days for TikTok to respond back to you. Sometimes it can take a little bit longer, unfortunately, but often about 1 to 3 business days. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and please subscribe to my channel because I'm actually doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.